All right, now that the board is on, I'm going to just introduce you to the board itself. This is the ChamSys QuickQ 20. So there are YouTube video tutorials that you can watch that go way more in depth than my understanding of it. So feel free to do that. I'm just basically going to show you the basics of our needs here with the weekly services. So you see you have your screen here, and on this screen, this is your home page. So this is where you will change fixtures, colors, the intensities, all of that things. This will all happen from this home page. You have all of your slides. This over here is your Grand Master slide. So whatever you have selected, you can turn all of the lights that are currently on. You can change the intensity right here for that. Right here you have modes, fixture, group, and queue. You really won't use fixture mode much at all. It's really more group and queue mode is where you guys will use the most, or what you guys will use the most. So right now I'm in group mode. So if I just push the button, I'm already in it, but you notice that the lights up here are white. And then the ones that are not lit up means that there's nothing saved in these spots. Right now I have the group 6 up, which is all the house lights. So if I take it down, you can see it goes off. And each one of these are different groups. I'll show you real quick which ones those are. So group 1 is just the upstage wash lights. Group 2 is just the back lights. Group 3 is the lights in the front of the stage. These lights can also be color. And then group 4, those are just the choir lights. Group 5 is all of your stage spots. And group 6 is house. So you can see that's how groups work. I'm going to show you how to create groups in the next video. But this is queue mode. Let me go back to group mode for a second, and I'm going to turn my group off and then go to queue mode. Whenever I push 1 up, right now this is what a queue looks like. So you can see that I've got several different groups on right now. I've got the house lights, the upstage, the back lights, and the colored lights on the floor. So queues, groups and fixtures is what you use to create queues. And then Q2 right now is kind of our greeting setting. So you can kind of see how all of that works. So that's how group and queue mode work. This section right here is called playback. This is where you will save your cues for whatever service or program you're doing. You can do it from here, but I like doing it from here because whoever's operating it can see the name of the cue, so kind of helps them remember which slide to turn up. So like if I turn the cue off that I'm in right now and I turn this one on, this is what we use Sunday. So you can see that it works the same from that playback. The only difference is you can see the name. So I'm going to turn this cue off, and then I'm going to go back to groups and just turn our house lights on just so we can see. On the home screen here, these are all of your fixtures. Your house light fixtures are up here at the top. Well, all your fixtures are actually, but you can also see your dimmers. Dimmers are what the lights in the house are called. This row right here to this here, this will always look like this regardless of what mode you're in. This row right here these are the lights that are on the back wall of the stage. These are the lights that hang on the rack in the center of the stage and shine on the choir. These are the lights that hang on the rack in the altar area and light the front of the stage and also the floor in front of the stage. So that's what all of this stuff is. When you go up here, you can select your menu. This is a really cool feature. You really won't use much in here except for remove and shut down. Patch is for if you want to add in fixtures, things like that. But one thing I want to show you that you can use, if you go to settings and then network and click this over to Wi-Fi, you see this QR code. I'm trying to do this with two hands. If you take the tablet from the soundboard, click on QR, and you want to click, you want to click on, let me show you. Click QR code as the option, and then all you're going to do is hold it over. It'll snap that, and then you want to join. And now your tablet is synced with the board. So now you can do all your lighting, everything from right here, which is really cool. So if we're short-handed, don't have someone on lights, or if you're working on lights and want to be able to look at the stage while you're doing it, you can do it from the tablet. So that's just kind of an overview of the board. Go back to the home page, and in the next video we're going to build groups